Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Trends. In this video, I will show you on how to do keyword research using Google Trends right now and discover what is actually hot right now across Google search. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your search right here. Have a open up your search. Come to the search right here, and then what you want to do here, and what you want to do right here is to type in Google Trends and hit enter. And in a few seconds, it takes you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Now you are here in Google Trends. Now, for you to use Keyword Explore for keyword research in Google Trends, you need to work on your location. Like for instance, if you are looking for a particular keyword research from a certain country, go ahead and come to the top right here. Another country, whatever country you are targeted as right here. Okay. The more you scroll down, the more you see different countries right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in United Kingdom right here. Then all the results I'm getting from people here is going to be how do we explore and get some keyword search. For that, what we want to do next is to go ahead and click on Explore tab right here, and it will take us right here. Now, I'm going to use some relevant keyword as an example. So from your own end, you can decide the types of keyword research and keyword following. Like for instance, I'm going to go ahead and use a popular brand, which is Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and type in Facebook right here, and I will hit enter. Now, for United Kingdom as my location here, and then Facebook as the keyword right here, and the past year. So you can come to past year right here. Then here you can decide to check the recently and the past 3 months, past week, and past month as far as the search history is concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and check on the past 24 hours. Then right here we have the past 24 hours. These are the graph volume for the people that are searching for Facebook as keyword in United Kingdom. We can scroll down right here and check some of the relevant keyword right here. So here we have Facebook login, login Facebook, Facebook Marketplace, Marketplace Facebook, Facebook UK, my Facebook, Facebook app. So we can scroll down and then check on more detail as far as this is concerned. Then here we have another queue right here. So we can click on here and then explore this particular keyword right here and have a comparison or search for it on Google right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see it. So here we have Marketplace Facebook. So if I click on this three dots right here and I decide to click on Explore, it's going to open up in a new tab right here. So we want to see how people are searching for Facebook Marketplace in United Kingdom. Just like what you see right here. You can see there is a high volume of people searching for Facebook Marketplace across Google. Just like what you see right here. You can see these are relevant keywords right here. This is for Google search in the last 24 hours in United Kingdom. You can decide to check on another country, come back right here under the location. Then here we can decide to check on worldwide. So if you decide to check on worldwide, this is going to give you a massive result because it's going to be compare of different parts of the world, just like you can see the graph right here. Now, Facebook Marketplace these are the results for people that are searching for it in the last 24 hours. So you can see Facebook Marketplace UK, they still have 10% right here. So you can see Facebook Marketplace app, etc. So this is the massive keyword right here. So you can go back to the main one right here, and here you can try to compare and contrast different topics, get more relevant keyword right here. Click on this plus tab right here. Then here we can decide to look for another keyword right here. Let's say basketball. How people are searching for this. Click on basketball. Then let's find out the result. This is for UK only right here. So you can see in the last 24 hours and the website. You can see the result right there. So this gives us about just 7% of people starting good right here. Now, how do we explore the queue? So go ahead and click on basketball right here, and then we have detail right here. So here we have basketball shoes, college basketball, NBA, basketball players, basketball court, basketball hoop, etc. This simply means that United Kingdom peoples are not much interested in basketball. So in this regard, we can decide to explore the whole world. For that, we come back to location right here, and then we go ahead and then look for worldwide. So when you click on worldwide, we are going to get a massive result. Then from here, we can explore and use different keywords right here. So now let's take a look at the main graph right here. So you can see the main graph. So Facebook is for blue, while the basketball is for this red right here. Just like what you see. So basketball here, these are different keyword entirely as far as basketball is concerned. Let's take a look at the Facebook right here, and then these are Q and the rising top Q right here. See how people are searching for Facebook video. It's another keyword right here that we can work on. So if I go ahead and copy Facebook video, then I come to the top right there, create a new tab, then press Ctrl V to paste and hit on search. Let's find out the result worldwide based on Facebook video right here. So you can see this is a very low keyword right here. We can go ahead and hit on it to remove that keyword out of our search volume keyword right here. So let's take a look at another one right here. Facebook download is very low. So what we have right there is the massive keyword here is Facebook Marketplace, and that is for Facebook sections right here. So if you want to create a content around this particular keyword, so I'm going to copy Facebook Marketplace and extract the worldwide result on that. Then I come to the top right here, click on this plus sign, press Ctrl V to paste and hit enter. Let's find out the result worldwide in the last 24 hours for Facebook. So this one gives us about 3. So here, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and do this right here. This way, give enough space to give us accurate result. So we sure that. So you can see in the worldwide, Facebook Marketplace is not really trend, but when we switch to UK, worldwide to United Kingdom, we see that Facebook Marketplace have a huge keyword search right here. So go ahead and choose United Kingdom right here. Searching for United Kingdom. United Kingdom right here. So let's find out. So for United Kingdom, we have massive people that are looking for Facebook Marketplace. So what we want to do here now is to easily target that keyword, most especially if you are looking for people from United Kingdom. So for that, go ahead and look for United Kingdom Facebook Marketplace graph right here. Now we are in Facebook Marketplace right here. So what we need to do right here is that we need to get as many as possible keyword, both rising and the minimize my web browser. Then I have to go ahead and bring out my notepad. So from my notepad right here, I have to paste Facebook Marketplace right here, and then I have to come back to web search right here. So here we have Facebook Marketplace UK. So I'm going to copy it, then bring out my notepad, then I paste it right here and put the comma, then come back here. Then we have Marketplace Facebook. I like to copy, then my notepad, paste right here, and comma, then come back to trend right here. Let's concern about eBay. So we have Facebook Marketplace cars, copy, then I'll come back right here, paste, then hit comma right here, come back to Google Trends, Facebook Marketplace London. So that's another one. I like and copy, then bring out my notepad, paste, just like so, then come back to trends. So we have another one right here, Facebook Marketplace and highlight and copy, then we come back right here, comma and paste, then we come back to Google Trends. So here we have to check on the rising keyword right here. So we have Facebook Marketplace clothes, copy, notepad, then paste. So I'm going to enter comma right here and come back here, and we have Facebook Marketplace, copy and paste. Then we have to put in comma, then come back right here. So, and you can copy as many as possible keywords related as far as Facebook Marketplace is concerned. You can go on and get as many as possible keywords. So your subject matter should be Facebook Marketplace right here. So subject matter is Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so that is for subject matter. The rest can be keyword for ranking. Okay, so this is for subject matter and Facebook Marketplace. Now the location. Targeted location is United Kingdom right here. United Kingdom. Okay, so you can use this method to do as many as possible keyword research using Google Trends in order to get traffic from different location or from a specific location. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google Trends, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you